So if you say, for example, I don't have enough time. We'll go with that as well, right? You name it. I don't have enough time. That's what comes into your head. Then say, okay, is that a thought, feeling, sensation, judgment, memory? Let's just say it's a thought, right? You don't have enough time. Then you say, okay, I just noticed or noticing the thought that I don't have enough time. Yep. So that's the reframe, because that's getting you to think sort of outside. Yeah. And then after you've written that, what happened? Like, it might take you a few moments once you've written that and really think, okay, I'm noticing the thought, I don't have enough time. And as soon as you write that, then you got to think, okay, what happens next after I've written that down? Did it lose its intensity? Did, anything shift in my body? As I said, frustration in my chest, you're observing, and so on. So it's a mindful exercise to catch yourself with your thoughts and feelings.